To decongest Shillong town, especially around the Secretariat area, the state government will allot 2 more parking spaces this week. Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Urban Affairs as well as Transport, Snobha Dalangthar, said this week the state government will allot another 2 more parking where minimum 400 to 500 vehicles can be parked. Meanwhile, he said that the state government will shift Secretariat and other major government offices to new Shillong township soon. On air connectivity, the Deputy Chief Minister said the state government awaits reports from the new consultant.
The Secretariat will be shifted to the new Shillong. That is point number 1, which will really ease the condition of the city, including all those main public office. Another 2 more parkings, which will be minimum 400-500 vehicle can parks, and few places which is unutilized land with different departments. We are planning to take it back to urban to construct more parking to avoid congestion along the road.